Nothing beats sleeping in a freshly made bed. The soft sheets all tucked in, the pillows perfectly fluffed. There's only one problem. You're the one who has to make it. And making a bed is no fun at all. It's like the dishes or laundry. It's something you have to do. But it's not all bad, because I'm here to show you that you can fully make your bed easily in no time at all. Here's how you do it. Ready, set, go. Step 1. Put the tag of the fitted sheet in the bottom right corner. Step 2. Follow by fitting the sheet over the top right corner, the bottom left corner, and lastly, on the top left corner. This is the best way to not have it slip off. Step 3. Now take your flat sheet and lay it over your bed. You want the top to be even with the top of your mattress. Tuck in one side, then the next, and lastly, the bottom. Step 4. Lay your comforter or duvet over the sheets. Step 5. Along with the flat sheet, grab the top and fold both over together. Step 6. Next, lay your pillowcase inside out on top of your pillow. Step 7. Grab the bottom and flip the pillowcase over your pillow. Step 8. Do it one more time, and boom. All done!